How to fix Instagram app not updating to the latest version. So if you want to fix the Instagram app not updating to the latest version, then what you need to do is just tap and hold on to that Instagram application. Go with the app info. Under your app info, now you just need to simply go with storage and cache, and you need to go with clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, you need to go and check if your problem still persists. But if it does, then what you need to do is just go and uninstall the application. Tap on uninstall and tap on OK and uninstall the Instagram application. Once you uninstall, you need to go with your Play Store or your App Store and install it again. So what it does is basically it will reset or restart the preferences of the Instagram and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you need to go with your Play Store and search for Instagram. Once you search, if you have any updates, you just need to simply go with update and update your Instagram application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after that, if it doesn't fix your problem, then restart and check if your problem still persists. If it does, then you need to open up your Instagram and go with profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar. Scroll down and go with the help section. Tap on help. Under help, go with report a problem. Tap on report a problem again and tap on don't include. And here you need to briefly explain what happened and what's not working. So you just need to simply write, hello Instagram team, I'm facing a problem with the Instagram app not updating to the latest version. So please help me with that problem. Once you enter that, you need to go with send and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Instagram app not updating to the latest version. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.